the increase that you've seen in the gold price in the absence of any retail buying in Western Europe and North America is testimony to the fact that global central banks, reacting to the weaponization of the US dollar and not trusting each other on Monday to fulfill their obligations on Tuesday, are seeing that they have no alternative but to increase their gold holdings, both as a store of value.
You're watching Silver News Daily. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for the best news that you don't want to miss. Now let's get straight to it.
In a world gripped by financial uncertainty, where the ground beneath our feet seems as unstable as the markets overhead, a monumental shift is on the horizon, a shift that promises to redefine the very essence of wealth, power, and stability across our global economy. And at the heart of this seismic transformation, silver, a metal that has, for millennia, lived in the shadow of its illustrious cousin, gold, but is now poised to claim the throne in a stunning turn of fate. You might wonder, could such a change be possible? What forces are aligning to catapult silver from its long-standing role as the underdog to the champion of currencies? Stay tuned, for we are about to unravel the future of finance, a future where silver isn't merely a precious metal, but the backbone of a new economic era. So prepare yourselves. The rise of silver as the world's new currency is not just possible, it's inevitable. And for those who are ready, it's time to understand why silver stackers might just become the new architects of wealth. Let's embark on a journey back in time, to when silver first carved its mark on the annals of human civilization. Picture this, over 5,000 years ago, long before the complexities of our modern financial systems, silver was already a beacon of wealth and a symbol of exchange. Imagine ancient bazaars bustling with trade, where silver coins clinked in the hands of merchants and explorers, bridging economies and cultures across vast distances. Even as recently as the mid-20th century, up until 1964, the United States minted quarters containing 90% silver, a testament to its enduring value. Fast forward to today, and you'll find that the UK's Silver Britannia coins, though holding a nominal face value, are prized far beyond their legal tender due to their pure silver content. Why, you might ask, has silver maintained such a pivotal role through millennia? Its allure isn't just in its luster, but in its utility. Unlike other precious metals, silver's destiny was never to be hoarded in vaults. Instead, its path was one of versatility, serving as the cornerstone of ancient and modern economies alike. From the decorative grandeur of royal treasures to the humble coinage of common trade, silver has woven its way through the fabric of history, not just as a store of value, but as a symbol of human ingenuity and exchange. Its story is not just one of wealth, but of civilization's progress, embodying our journey from ancient barter systems to the sophisticated financial networks of today. So as we stand on the brink of a new era, where silver's significance is being reimagined, it's crucial to remember the journey that brought us here. A journey that reminds us, to understand where we're going, we must first appreciate where we come from. In the world of precious metals, the spotlight has long been hogged by gold, a symbol of opulence and wealth that has captivated human imagination for centuries. But as we navigate the complex landscape of modern finance, it's time to shine a light on silver, a metal that not only rivals its golden counterpart in historical significance, but stands out for its untapped potential in today's economy. Consider this, while an ounce of gold can command a princely sum, silver remains astoundingly accessible, its price per ounce a fraction of gold's. This disparity is not an indicator of lesser value, but a beacon of opportunity. For centuries, silver and gold's value danced in a delicate balance, with silver once commanding half the price of gold due to its relative abundance. Fast forward to today, and you'll find that silver costs a little above 1% of gold's price per ounce, a gap that speaks volumes not of silver's decline, but of its potential for remarkable growth. Why does this matter, you ask? In a world teetering on the brink of financial transformation, silver's comparative affordability makes it a prime candidate for widespread adoption, not just among the affluent, but across broader swaths of the population. Its lower price point, combined with its historical pedigree as a store of wealth, positions silver as the democratic metal of the future, a precious commodity within reach of the many, not just the few. But the tale of silver's value isn't just a story of economics, it's a narrative rich with potential for empowerment. As we peer into the future, envisioning a global finance system where silver emerges as a beacon, it's crucial to recognize the power of accessibility. In silver, we find not just an investment, but a symbol of inclusive prosperity, a metal that democratizes wealth and heralds a new chapter in the saga of global finance. So as we chart our course through the tumultuous seas of financial change, let's not overlook the comparative value of silver. For in this underappreciated metal lies the key to a future where wealth is not hoarded but shared, a future where silver shines not in the shadow of gold, but as a luminary guiding us toward a new horizon of economic equality and opportunity. As we stand on the threshold of a new age in global finance, where silver is poised to claim its throne, it's essential to peel back the layers and explore one of the fundamental drivers of its ascent: industrial demand. Unlike gold, whose appeal is largely confined to its luster and status as a safe haven, silver's brilliance is matched by its utility, casting a spotlight on its indispensable role in a modern world. Silver's journey from precious to practical is a tale of innovation and ingenuity. Consider its unparalleled electrical and thermal conductivity, properties that make it an unsung hero in our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the solar panels on our roofs, silver is everywhere, silently powering the technology that defines our era. But silver's role extends far beyond the gadgets that fill our homes. It's a sentinel of health and hygiene, its antimicrobial properties safeguarding our water supply and medical devices, ensuring that the future is not just brighter, but cleaner and safer. In the realm of renewable energy, silver's contribution is nothing short of revolutionary. As the push for green energy accelerates, silver's role in solar panels becomes increasingly critical, its presence vital for capturing the sun's rays and transforming them into clean, sustainable power. Yet, as our reliance on technology and renewable energy grows, so too does the demand for silver, setting the stage for a surge in its value. This rising industrial demand, coupled with silver's finite supply, paints a picture of a metal not just valuable for its beauty, but indispensable for its role in the sustainable technologies of the future. And as we gaze into the horizon, contemplating the metamorphosis of the global finance system, we must recognize silver's dual identity, as both a beacon of wealth and a pillar of industrial progress. In this duality lies its true power, a metal that bridges the gap between the ancient and the avant-garde, between the decorative and the functional. So let us not underestimate the force of industrial demand in propelling silver to new heights. For in this demand lies the promise of innovation, the assurance of sustainability, and the blueprint for a future where silver does not just circulate as currency, but powers the very world around us. In the unfolding narrative of silver's rise to prominence, a pivotal chapter is its burgeoning role as a bastion of investment. Amid the whirlwind of market fluctuations and economic uncertainties, silver emerges not merely as a relic of the past, but as a beacon for the future-minded investor. Its allure, grounded in millennia of history, is now magnified by its burgeoning potential in the modern economy. Silver's investment appeal is multifaceted, drawing strength from its historical legacy as a store of wealth and its modern indispensability in industry. Yet what sets silver apart in the investment landscape is its unique position as a safe haven asset. In times of economic turmoil, when traditional investments tremble under the weight of uncertainty, silver stands firm, its value often surging in defiance of market downturns. This resilience is not just theoretical, it's a time-tested reality, offering a sanctuary for those seeking to preserve their wealth against the erosion of inflation and the caprices of the stock market. Moreover, silver's price dynamics present a compelling narrative for potential growth. Unlike gold, which often captures the headlines, silver quietly offers investors a more accessible entry point into the precious metals market. Its comparative affordability opens the door to a broader spectrum of investors, democratizing access to a market once reserved for the affluent. This accessibility, combined with the metal's historical stability and potential for significant appreciation, positions silver as an intriguing option for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios. But the investment case for silver extends beyond its role as a hedge against economic instability. The surging demand for silver in industrial applications, particularly in renewable energy and technological innovations, underpins a bullish outlook for its future price. As the world gravitates towards sustainable energy solutions and advanced electronics, silver's critical role in these technologies promises not just stability, but substantial growth potential. In considering silver's investment potential, it's crucial to view it through a lens that captures both its timeless value and its contemporary relevance. For those prepared to navigate the evolving landscape of global finance, silver represents not just a safe harbor in stormy seas, but a vessel poised to sail towards uncharted territories of growth and prosperity. So as we chart our course through the tumultuous waters of financial change, let us not overlook silver's shining promise. In this metal, investors find a rare confluence of safety, accessibility, and growth potential, a trifecta that heralds silver's ascent as a cornerstone of the future's investment paradigms. As we journey deeper into the labyrinth of global finance, with its twists and turns shaped by economic indicators, silver emerges as a beacon of insight, reflecting the health and direction of the global economy. Its unique position at the crossroads of monetary stability and industrial demand allows us to glean invaluable insights into the economic forces at play. In times of economic expansion, silver's industrial demand soars, driven by its widespread use in electronics, renewable energy, and medical technologies. This surge is a testament to the metal's embedded role in the sectors that spearhead economic growth. Conversely, during periods of economic uncertainty and downturn, silver reclaims its ancient role as a store of value, a safe haven for investors seeking refuge from the volatility of stock markets and the erosive force of inflation. But silver's tale is more nuanced than a simple binary of growth and safety. Its sensitivity to both industrial demand and investment flows makes it a unique barometer for gauging investor sentiment and economic health. A rise in silver prices often signals robust industrial growth or heightened economic anxiety, making it a dual indicator of both confidence and caution. Furthermore, silver's price movements can offer insights into inflationary trends. As a tangible asset, it retains intrinsic value, making it a preferred choice for those looking to hedge against the diminishing purchasing power of paper currencies in times of inflation. The metal's historical performance during periods of high inflation underscores its role as an economic stabilizer, providing not just protection but potential profit. Yet it's crucial to understand that silver, like all commodities, operates within a broader economic ecosystem. Its price and demand are influenced by a myriad of factors, including monetary policies, currency fluctuations, and global supply chains. This interconnectedness means that silver's journey is not just a reflection of its own strengths and vulnerabilities, but a mirror to the world's economic dynamism. As we stand at the cusp of a transformative shift in the global finance system, with silver poised to play a pivotal role, it's imperative to recognize the metal's value as an economic indicator. It's not just a passive observer, but an active participant, shaped by and shaping the economic tides. In the fabric of economic indicators, silver threads a path of resilience, adaptability, and potential, offering a compass for navigating the future of finance. So as we delve into the complexities of economic indicators and their impact on silver, let's remember that this metal is more than just a commodity. It's a barometer of economic health, a guardian of wealth, and a herald of the coming change in the global finance system. In the evolving saga of silver's resurgence as a pivotal force in global finance, a crucial distinction emerges, casting light on the divergent paths of physical and paper silver. This distinction not only underscores the multifaceted nature of silver investment, but also highlights a critical decision point for investors navigating the currents of change. Physical silver, in its tangible form, offers a direct connection to the millennia-old legacy of silver as a store of value and medium of exchange. Holding a silver coin or bar, investors grasp a piece of history, a tangible asset that has weathered the storms of economic upheavals, retaining value when paper currencies faltered. This tangible aspect of physical silver fosters a sense of security and permanence, attributes highly valued in times of financial uncertainty. Moreover, in the context of a potential overhaul of the global finance system, physical silver represents a bastion of stability, a refuge against the volatility of digital and paper assets, whose values are susceptible to rapid erosion and crisis. Conversely, paper silver, represented through ETFs, futures contracts, and other financial instruments, offers investors exposure to the price movements of silver without the logistical considerations of physical ownership. This form of investment enables easier liquidity and diversification, appealing to those looking to capitalize on silver's price volatility. However, the detachment from the physical metal introduces layers of complexity and risk, as these paper claims on silver often outnumber the actual physical silver available, leading to potential disconnects between paper prices and physical demand. This divergence between physical and paper silver raises important questions about the nature of ownership and the essence of value. As we contemplate the future of the global finance system, wherein silver is touted to play a starring role, understanding these distinctions becomes paramount. The allure of physical silver lies in its intrinsic value, a beacon of certainty in an increasingly digital and abstract financial landscape. Yet the convenience and flexibility of paper silver cannot be overlooked, offering a different set of advantages tailored to modern investment strategies. The choice between physical and paper silver is not merely a tactical investment decision, but a philosophical stance on the future of finance, value, and ownership. As we stand on the brink of a potentially transformative shift in how global finance operates, The decision to invest in physical or paper silver embodies deeper reflections on trust, stability, and the enduring significance of tangible assets in a digital age. In navigating this choice, investors are advised to weigh the security and tangible value offered by physical silver against the flexibility and ease of paper silver investments. As silver assumes a critical role in the fabric of a changing financial system, understanding and leveraging the distinct advantages of both forms becomes a strategic imperative. As we journey through the transformative narrative of silver in the global finance system, a pivotal moment beckons, a call to action for you, our viewers, to engage, deliberate, and envision the future of silver. How do you see silver shaping the new economic landscape? What are your thoughts on its burgeoning role as a potential global currency? Your insights, debates, and discussions are invaluable as we navigate these uncharted waters together. So let's start a dialogue. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build a community of informed, proactive individuals ready to embrace the changes that lie ahead. Remember, your voice is crucial in shaping the future of finance. The tale of silver's ascendance is not just a story unfolding in the realms of markets and mines. It's a saga being written in the very fabric of our global economy. As we edge closer to revealing how silver could become the primary currency in a radically transformed financial system, the anticipation builds. This isn't merely about observing trends. It's about being part of a financial revolution. A revolution where silver's luminance illuminates a path through the fog of economic uncertainty, guiding us towards a future where wealth, power, and sustainability converge. The apex of our journey is near, and the revelation of silver's ultimate role in our financial destinies is imminent. Stay with us as the culmination of our exploration promises not just answers, but a new dawn in the world of finance. And now, we arrive at the apex of our exploration, where the myriad threads of silver's story weave together into a compelling tapestry of possibility. Throughout history, silver has been a constant, a medium of exchange, a store of wealth, and a catalyst for economic growth. Its journey through the ages has brought us to a pivotal moment, where the fusion of its intrinsic value with its indispensable industrial uses positions silver uniquely for the dawn of a new financial era. In this future, silver doesn't just change hands as currency, it empowers economies, drives innovation, and anchors stability. The transformation of the global finance system, with silver at its core, is not a fanciful prediction, but a logical evolution. An evolution supported by silver's historical significance, bolstered by its industrial indispensability, and ignited by the pressing need for sustainable and inclusive economic models. As we stand on the brink of this transformation, the message is clear. Silver stackers and investors alike need to be prepared. Prepared not just in terms of portfolio diversification, but as pioneers of a new economic paradigm. A paradigm where the value of silver transcends its metallic sheen, becoming a symbol of a resilient, equitable, and sustainable global economy. So as we conclude our journey, let us not see this as an end, but as the beginning of a new chapter in the annals of finance. A chapter where silver shines brightly, guiding us towards a future where wealth is not just accumulated, but shared and sustained. Remember, the power to shape this future is in our hands, and in the silver that glints within them. And before we part, let us remind you once again, the financial insights we've shared are not investment advice, but a beacon to guide your journey. For those who embark on this journey with us, we thank you. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay prepared, for the future is silver, and it's ours to seize. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of finance.